The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate compact camera for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. With groundbreaking improvements in autofocus, stabilization, and performance, this device could redefine handheld videography. In this deep dive, technology review explores everything we know so far and what we don't about DJI's next-gen pocket camera. Autofocus like never before. One of the most exciting upgrades rumored for the Osmo Pocket 4 is its advanced autofocus system. Sources suggest DJI will integrate phase detection autofocus, PDAF, with eye-tracking technology, making it faster and more accurate than ever. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects, filming a vlog, or recording cinematic shots, this system is expected to ensure razor-sharp focus at all times. Adding to this, ActiveTrack 7.0 is expected to be DJI's best subject tracking tech to date. If leaks are correct, this will enable the camera to predict and follow moving subjects more intelligently using AI-driven tracking. This could be a game changer for sports videographers, action vloggers, and solo creators who need reliable auto-framing. Touch-free controls? Yes, please. DJI is also rumored to be working on a new set of gesture controls and voice commands. Imagine starting and stopping recordings hands-free. No need to physically touch the camera. This feature could be invaluable for creators looking for seamless operation, whether they're filming tutorials, workout videos, or travel vlogs. Hybrid stabilization for cinematic footage. Stabilization has always been a defining strength of the Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is expected to push the limits further. Early leaks suggest it will feature a hybrid stabilization system combining mechanical gimbal stabilization with electronic image stabilization, EIS. This would allow for buttery, smooth footage even in the most extreme movement scenarios, whether you're running, biking, or simply vlogging handheld. Additionally, 4K at 240 FPS slow-motion recording is rumored to be included. This means ultra-smooth slow-mo shots that could add cinematic flair to any video project. Combined with real-time HDR previews, creators would get high-quality, professional-looking content straight from the camera. Next-level image processing and AI enhancements. Another major improvement could be in image processing. If rumors hold, DJI is upgrading the image processor to offer faster processing speeds, improved noise reduction, and AI-powered video enhancements. This means smoother video exports, sharper footage, and better low-light performance. All crucial features for professionals and casual creators alike. Battery life and fast charging. No more downtime. Battery life has been a common concern with compact cameras, but the Osmo Pocket 4 could change that. Reports suggest DJI is implementing a more efficient power management system, potentially extending recording time to around 140 minutes on a single charge. Even more exciting? Fast charging support with USB-C PD power delivery. According to leaks, the Pocket May 4th be able to fully charge in just 25 minutes. That's a huge win for filmmakers and vloggers who need to keep rolling without long interruptions. DJI is also rumored to be improving heat management, adding an advanced cooling system to prevent overheating during extended 4K recording sessions. This could be a crucial feature for content creators who film for long periods. Bigger, rotating touchscreen for better control? Another major rumored change is a larger, rotating touchscreen. The Osmo Pocket 4 might come with a fully adjustable screen, allowing for better framing and navigation while shooting. This would be a welcome upgrade for vloggers who often struggle with fixed, small displays. Possible release date and pricing. DJI has not officially confirmed a launch date, but based on past release cycles, the Osmo Pocket 4 could debut in late 2026 or early 2027. DJI typically announces new products at dedicated launch events, so we may see an official teaser in the coming months. As for pricing, early leaks suggest base model, $699. Creator combo, $799, expected to include accessories like an external microphone, wireless remote, and ND filters. If these prices hold, the Pocket 4 will still be a premium offering, but could deliver exceptional value with its upgraded features. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth it? With all these rumored upgrades, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a powerhouse for content creators. From its next-gen autofocus and hybrid stabilization to 4K slow-motion recording and real-time HDR, this camera could be the ultimate portable filmmaking tool. But the big question remains, will you be upgrading to the Osmo Pocket 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments.